Oh, BLUCIFER, taking my money yet again. All right, let's get this over with. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I know this one is gonna be a doozy. You're reading from the title and thumbnail of this video. I have a lot of explaining to do. That's all right though, because I got plenty of time, and my God, guys, it's happening again. I mean, we'll jump more into that in just a moment, but I did something else to the car that, you know, is my favorite so far, so check this out. All right, we're gonna play a little game. Do you notice anything different on the front end? No? Okay. Do you notice anything different from this angle? No? Okay. How about from the side? And if you say Black 50 badges, I'm gonna smack you because that was last episode and you should have watched it. So if you haven't watched it, pause this video, go watch that, come back, and then guess again. What about this angle? No? Okay, we'll keep going. How about the rear end? I'm gonna give you guys just a moment. If you guys haven't figured it out yet, I'm gonna smack you again because you should definitely see it. Guys, they came in. BLUCIFER plates, I'm so stoked. So today marks day one, guys. It is 100% official BLUCIFER, and I love it. I absolutely love the way it looks, and just wait. I know I've mentioned this before in the previous videos. This rear end is about to change drastically. Just mark my words with that, and you guys are gonna absolutely love it. And you know, that also reminds me, let's go ahead and just dive right into this video, why don't we? Alright, like I said, title and thumbnail of this video, we are back at this shenanigan stuff again. So many of you guys might know that I owned Blue 2 valve, and Blue 2 valve was my 1999 Mustang GT that I had boosted, I had bagged, and overall just pretty much did all the cosmetic stuff you could possibly do to it. And with that car, guys, I absolutely fell in love with air suspension. Many of you guys might know this, but I was rocking the Airlift Performance 3P full kit on there that I bought brand new, and I had nothing but good things to say about it. It was really fun because, you know, when it came to photos and stuff for the Instagram or Facebook, airing out at car shows and stuff like that, like it's nothing better to have that perfect stance. And you know, honestly, the ride quality, I couldn't complain one bit, but that is being compared to factory springs from a new edge, so that's really nothing to compare it to. So many of you guys know I just recently picked this car up about 2 weeks ago, I'll say, and that's pretty hard to say. In 2 weeks I bought bags already. Goddamn. Needless to say, guys, I bought bags again. Let's go check them out. The walk of shame. The walk of shame. Yeah, we're talking about you. Taking all my damn money. All right, guys, so before I go ahead and show you guys the kit I just recently bought, I do have a couple things to say. You know, I just want to get it off my chest, and maybe you guys can reason with me on this, because I know a lot of you, when I got this 5.0, I saw a lot of comments saying, don't bag it, Derek, don't bag it. Go static. And you know, I was actually listening to you guys for a while at that point, don't get me wrong. You can ask everybody in my friend group. I was honestly gonna rock some H&R Super Sport springs or iMAC Sport lines, and I was just gonna call it a day. I was gonna go full bolt on right away, and you know, things kind of changed. It wasn't until I started cleaning out my computer and I came across a folder that was labeled blue photos. Now obviously you guys know Ben and I would go out like every week and take some photos and stuff, and I would just have a collection of them to post on Instagram. By the way, go follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions. So I came across that folder and I started opening up the photos, and this isn't gonna be a stop story, by the way, like, oh, I missed the car so much, because no, I really don't miss it. I love BLUCIFER so much more, and might be harsh to say, but it's the honest facts, guys. But what I do miss is the awesome stance you get with the bags, those nice crisp photos, and just, I don't know, guys, I just feel like the bags, that's me. Like, you know, that's kind of like the branding thing I'm starting to do with my channel. And I always said when I had Blue, if I ever got a new car, it would always be on bags. And I don't know, something about them I just truly love, and I think that sets me apart from other YouTubers out there. We have Mustang Week coming up, and I sold a gorgeous car, like gorgeous car. You guys know like how I like to grind things out and have my car looking as nice as possible for an event like that. So that's where I'm going right now. I'm going cosmetic and, you know, exhaust, wheels, tires, all that good stuff. I want it to look good. That's my main priority right now, because let's face it, guys, with this newer Coyote platform, I'm coming from a 2 valve, so this stock is as fast as my 2 valve was boosted, essentially. So you guys gotta understand that as well. I don't wanna jump into full bolt-ons right away due to the fact that I wanna enjoy the stock power for a little bit, go full bolt-ons, get used to that, and then, you know, after that, it's just boost. So guys, honestly, I am not wasting any time. I don't know if you've noticed, but I have been on the fucking grind lately. I have been just so excited and so pumped to keep bringing you guys content each week. We've been doing 3 videos a week now, and it's just so fun, guys. I'm living it. I am seriously living it right now. And again, I'm not playing any games. Mustang Week, BLUCIFER is gonna be one bad Might be slower, but we'll get to that. So with that being said, guys, I went ahead and picked up a gently used Airlift Performance V2 system. And as I mentioned briefly earlier, I was rocking the 3P, which, you know, unfortunately it is a downgrade. But at the end of the day, guys, the 3P, the only thing that's really different is you get like a digital screen and you can connect to it via Bluetooth, which I think I did the Bluetooth thing like twice in my whole entire ownership of the car, which pretty worthless. So a kit like this, I want to say goes from like $2,600 to $2,800, I believe. It might be more, I can't quite remember. Oh wait, and that reminds me, I did it because of you guys, and I specifically remember doing this now. On Instagram, I posted this photo claiming if I got over 5,000 likes, I would buy it. It got over 6,000, so clearly you guys wanted me to get bags again. And to be honest, that was the tipping point, whether or not I wanted to go static or bags, and you guys made it happen. So thank you for that. Thank you for getting my head straight. But yeah, guys, Airlift V2 Kit, I am super stoked on. It literally just reached a year old, and he had it on his car, I want to say about 6 or 7 months. So this kit is fresh. We have the manifold right here, we got the rear bags, we have the front bags slash struts, the big old air tank, we got the compressor all wrapped up, we got all the paperwork we need, and in here we have our box with our wiring harness, some airlines. I think I'm running new airlines. He did hook me up with them all labeled up and stuff, but I'm gonna take the extra precaution and run new airlines because, you know, that's just a smart thing to do. We have all our Ziploc baggies with all our other little parts and stuff, and yeah, guys, we did it. So yeah, I believe I made the right decision. Lucifer's gonna love it, so I mean, can't really argue with him. But now that we got that out of the way, let's go for a little cruise, and I wanted to show you guys something pretty cool. So when I first bought this car and didn't reveal it to you guys, on Instagram I posted this photo. Bless me. Thanks. As you guys can see, this is a flip out key fob, and it threw many of you guys off because you thought it was like a Fusion, an F-150. A lot of you guys did think it was an S550, but the key fob is actually a little skinnier on those, so I threw you guys off. Anyway, here is the key fob, and as you can see, it does have a Mustang logo. There you go. You can see it has a little Mustang logo right there, and it is a key fob that does switch out like that. I got it to work. So this isn't a paid advertisement or a sponsored advertisement, anything like that. For those of you out there with an S197, I highly recommend getting this because it just gives it like a real modern look. And if you're looking to ditch that key that doesn't fold in, this is a great alternative. Has a Mustang logo on it. It's nice and compact, and I love it. So again, real quick. All right, check it out. Bang, bang. So yeah, I went ahead and hit all the points I wanted to with this video, guys. It's not gonna be really vlog type style where I'm out doing things. I had to break the news to you because we are installing the bags tomorrow. So I mean, how weird would that be if I just rolled up places and on video airing out and shit? So it's not gonna work. So I had to make today's video revolved around the bags. A lot of you guys saw it coming. You know me too well. But yeah, let's go ahead and go for a quick ride. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's backfiring with stock H pipe resonators and just Roush axle back, so that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I don't think I've ever told you guys this, but the car does have a Barton short throw shifter in there, and I'm starting to love it. It was hard to get used to at first because it's really notchy, but once you get used to it, it works out. So guys, one thing I did want to tell you guys is very shortly the exhaust is going to be changed dramatically. That is honestly one modification I cannot wait for, because driving around a car that's kind of quiet, such as a Mustang, and especially a 5.0, it doesn't really add up. So that's getting changed out here shortly. What in tarnation? All right, sorry guys, I know this was a quick ride for you, but definitely more coming in the future, so hang tight. But yeah guys, I just wanted to go ahead and break the news to you. BLUCIFER will be bagged. Hopefully Monday will be completely finished if there's no hiccups, so that's always exciting. So yeah, if you're excited, drop a like on this video, guys. Drop a comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts, and please, I love reading all your comments, so please, please, please drop a comment, drop a like. I go through them all. But with that, guys, remember, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, any questions, concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. Man, how do I forget a shout out? Hold up. And today's EVP vlog shout out is going out to Murdered Cali. Thank you so much for your continued support. Make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. And for those of you that want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP Squad to all your posts. As you guys know, every time I film a video such as this one, I go to the hashtag, I used it, and boom, shout out. With today's video, just wish me luck. Hopefully Monday, BLUCIFER is bagged, so that'll be a good start and it'll be a good sign. But yeah, the rest kind of goes like this. But until next time, see you later.